Well, yeah, so you got a little cuzzo. He don't want to wait on me because I want to make another video, but it is what it is.
It's halfway done.
Yeah, halfway done. The next week. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E, and I'm still wrenching away on the Chevy Equinox, my brother for another mother. Always blowing up motors and stuff. I still didn't take the motor apart, but we got the motor dropped in on my off day. It was yesterday. I just dropped it in there a little bit too quick because I ended up having to pull it back out for a mount that was this amount that mounts to the back of the lower part of the engine for the CV axle. It was flipped backwards. You can't flip it back over. So you had to put the engine back out, flip it back the correct way, then lower it back down and try to wiggle it. It was a pain in my butt. The little cuzzo came over, made more of a pain in my butt. But let's go see what we got to do because we got to get this thing finished up. He will need to take it to the exhaust shop because the studs on the manifold was already stripped out on the engine he bought. Nothing I can do about that. Because on his engine, one of the studs had to cut, and the other one, I don't do studs. That's on him. I'm not getting paid a lot of money to do this. So it is what it is. Let's go take a look. So everything, the transmission back buttoned up, got the exhaust button up as good as I could. Like I said, with those studs back there stripped out.
I know what it is. You're gonna need an alternator.
Oh, it's only the alternator?
It's only the alternator.
It's only the alternator. Alternator. But yeah, we getting it on done. Last thing we have to do is put the serpentine belt back on. We got a lot of stuff got put back together.
Yeah, lift the motor. Put this. Oh, we gonna put that on before we lift it?
So I'm gonna start again putting the intake back on. Why you take the intake off? Because obviously you gotta get gaskets, bro. The gaskets first. Don't got no intake manifold gaskets. I got something in the cabinet over there. But we about to get to work. Get this all knocked out because he got this Cadillac over here. We gotta do a tune up and trying to do transmission. I'm like, man, that's too much. He trying to do too much. And I got a lot of cars to work on. People constantly calling me to work on their cars. I gotta go look at another car. I still working on the Buick. Need a hub assembly on the driver's side, passenger side. ABS light is on, traction control light is on. So I gotta get on that one in another video. Like hopefully that'll be the last video. Still gotta get the tires, got new tires for her and all that, but let's get to work. Pretty much got everything buttoned up. On top, all the hoses back connected, spark plugs, wires plugged back in. Now we gotta get the alternator and the belt back on. We're gonna do that off camera real quick, cause it ain't gonna be quick. Cause I gotta use my engine hoist to lift up the engine, take off the engine mount after you get the alternator on. And as y'all see me take it off in the last video, it's not easy to do when you got big hands like mine, cause you gotta get behind the alternator to get the bolts. So little cousin about to get that. He about to get that going. And with maybe I throw y'all on B-roll. Y'all can check him out. He gonna take forever, like he always do. So
I got the hands.
Keep on watching. Back in, battery, he got me calling battery. The breather back in, everything back connected on this side of the engine. He got me getting discombobulated. Now on this side, I gotta get the thermostat. Nope, that gonna last. Nope, I wanna get that tray in. See, he's slowing me down, but he want to work on his car. And at a certain time, I stopped working on cars. No, I was gonna say battery. Well, he don't listen. So I'm about to get back to business because he don't pay no attention. So let me change these batteries and get back to work. Okay. Well, everything almost buttoned up. Still got to put the beauty cover on there. Got the battery, rejuvenated battery. Got the coolant in there with my little overflow tank up there. Little Cuzzo back there. Working on the Cadillac. GoPro battery's about to go dead. Let's give her a start. Prime the fuel rail. And I'm like, the exhaust is gonna be loud. He got put in the shop. The exhaust studs were stripped. So I couldn't tighten that down. I couldn't use the one off of this one because I had to cut one of them because the bolt was stripped. So I only got one good one. And I don't got no torch to heat that up to get it out, to put in another one. And I already took a lot of stuff off this one to put on that one. Did more work than I'm getting paid to do. But yeah, so you got a little Cuzzo. He don't want to wait on me because I want to make another video. But it is what it is.
It's halfway done.
Yeah, halfway done. The next weekend, he'll be back over for the transmission.
Yeah. 9 a.m. on time, y'all.
Because it's getting late. And that's a big job. And probably some stuff going to break. From looking at that exhaust, it's all rusty.
Dang, the Tahoe did.
And I don't want to break none of his studs. Or he will be going to get, might well go get some new headers while you at it.
Long tube?
Yeah.
You said long tube water?
Do some custom.
You hear that?
Go and get some long tubes, put those on there real quick.
Put them on?
As long as they can bolt up to your cat.
I'm finna go start.
Direct fit, long tubes. We can do that over here.
I need to clean my air bottles too.
But yeah.
I brought the stuff to clean.
But yeah, he over here doing that. And I got my part out here.
You see how much you got off so far?
Yeah, I seen it over there. So got a lot more to go. Yeah, I forgot my part for this car right here. So I'll be showing y'all how to change a hub assembly on a Buick LaCrosse whenever I get time. Cause I work a full-time job. And the GoPro battery's about to go dead. But she's still running. Like I say, he can put it in the shop to get the exhaust fixed. Coolant look good. Heat ain't all that hot. It ain't up to temp yet, so I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more. Rev the engine up, do some revs. Keep filling up with coolant. But we have to call that a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you be notified when I release a new video. We have merch almost like this. This shirt is old from teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's all links in the description area below. With all that said, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show